Are there any legit ways to make money online at home? Like many of you watching this, I've been looking for ways to earn money online in addition to my part-time job. But you know how it is. The internet is full of scams and shady grady stuff, so I spent weeks trying to find something legit, and I finally did. Free cash surprised me in all the right ways. I've earned over $1,350 in 1 month without living on the platform. I was skeptical right up until the moment I cashed out to my PayPal. What is free cash all about? Basically, it's a platform that pays you for testing apps and games and completing surveys. This helps developers improve their applications while you make some money. You can earn by downloading apps, testing games, or completing surveys. I love playing games, so that's where most of my earnings came from. Oh, and my favorites were Warpath, Wildfish, and Domino Dreams. There's a variety of offers. Usually the higher paying ones take more time. Some games can pay up to $1,000 for completing a task, but these typically require more hours to finish. On average, you can easily earn $30 to $60 a day. You pick your options. You're free to choose whatever apps, games, and surveys you like. Of course, it's not like you can spend 5 minutes a day and become a millionaire. But you can build a stable income in reasonable time, especially if you turn it into a daily habit. Why did I like free cash? Well, it's easy, I mean it. You don't have to do anything complicated. All you need is to follow the task and have some free time to spend on it. For some reason, I especially enjoyed the game Domino Dreams. My initial goal was to complete Chapter 10 to get my first $30, but I couldn't stop playing and ended up completing Chapter 15. It was lots of fun and also free money, $400 from that game alone, no experience needed. Even if you've never done any testing before, you can do this. You get straightforward task descriptions, so it's impossible to go wrong. A task you might expect is something like, download this game and complete all challenges in 14 days. You can do it from anywhere. I was earning money while taking the bus, chilling on the couch, and during my breaks, fast cashing out. I had my earnings in my PayPal account in less than 1 day. I'm not sure how long it takes for other withdrawal methods, crypto, gift cards, etc. But it should be fast as well. You can earn a lot if you're consistent. I've literally seen users in the leaderboard making $3,000 in just 1 month. Of course, to get there you need time, but making a couple of $100s is really easy and relatively fast for anyone. Don't miss these pro tips to earn more. I feel like most users don't know about these additional ways to make more money with free cash free promo codes. You can follow Free Cash on social media to get weekly promo codes for free coins, which you can later exchange for money. Daily rewards and bonuses. If you use the platform daily, you'll get additional bonuses that help you earn more. In-app purchases to speed up processes. While playing, you can buy items to help speed up task completion. It's optional, but it really saved me time, and I earned 4 times more than I spent. Choose the highest paying offers. Check new offers and featured offers to get the best opportunities that pay the most. Honestly, I still can't believe I was able to earn this much so easily, and I've actually enjoyed the whole process. So, if you're looking for some truly legit ways to earn money online, free cash is a very good option.